नमस्कार मित्रों, दिस इज मुदित मेहरोत्रा. You're watching Tech Guru Mudit. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. And in this video, we are going to unbox the wireless earphones from Mivi, which is Mivi Thunderbeats. So let's have a quick look at the unboxing.
So inside this box, you get an intro card from Mivi. Box contains get you the gunmetal earphones, a pouch of accessories, and a user manual, and also some product advertisements too on it. Coming to the earphones physical overview. On the top, you get a volume up, power on off, and volume down button. On the right panel, you get a micro USB port for its charging. Also at the back, you get a convenient magnetic locking system when earphones are not in use. In the accessory pouch, you get some tips for the convenient type and size ranging small, medium and large. A USB to micro USB cable for charging itself. Pairing the earphones with the devices is very simple. By pressing on the power key for few seconds, a red blue light indicates the switching on of the earphones. Then going in settings, Bluetooth and selecting Mivi Beats. Hardly after few seconds, it gets paired and you are ready to go.
Honestly telling guys, if you like bassy sound, then these wireless earphones are thumbs up for you, and the quality provided by these earphones are good. It takes 2 to 3 hours of charging time to provide up to 7 hours of playback. And if you want to buy these wireless earphones and many other products from Mivi, then do check the link in the description for the discount. Thank you for watching my video guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, then please like the video, share it and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to comment your views. Love you guys.